So, hi, what's up?
Hi.
So actually we planned today to speak about our story in Jamaica and how our Roman with this country.
Started.
Yeah. But then came a earthquake here that actually our body still stressed.
Shocked.
Yeah. It's like
I feel like I'm shaking and
I never felt this before. It was like all the ground started to move and we were like, what's going on here?
the glasses were
fell
broken
down.
and
And we're like, what we should do right now?
just to breathe.
And
I remember that in 7th grade or something in school, they taught us to go down under the table in order to protect our head. So after 1 second I think, or 5 seconds that I felt the ground shaking,
She just get into the table.
and I'm like, that's what.
But everyone just ran out and we're like, what we should do? Like we should run out or
But
stay under the
we
table.
stayed there, and it was scary, and it was 5.4.
And then we have decided, we were like, okay, universe, try to say to us something.
Another time.
Sign.
Another sign.
Yeah, then we should do what we want to do in life. I think this is one of the
It's
signs.
weird, this situation.
It is.
You can read the sign whatever you want. This is
I know.
what funny it is
I know.
in it.
But I think we should still speak about our Roman here in
Yeah, of course.
Jamaica and how it started.
It started 2 years ago. Two and a half years.
So Bar told me she want to fly to Sri Lanka actually. And I released the army in the
It
same
was
time.
the COVID time.
Yeah, it was COVID time. I released the army and she was like, I want to fly to Sri Lanka. Do you want to join me?
I just got divorced, and it was for me it was the beginning of a journey, and that I wanted to connect to myself. And then she released to the army from the army, and then I thought to myself, yeah, in Israel when you released from the army you are going to a big trip. Maybe it will be cool to combine.
So she had a dream to fly to Sri Lanka and do all the island in tuk-tuk.
And I will do that.
But then Sri Lanka closed their borders and we needed to think about different country.
And then I remembered, like 12 years ago, when I traveled to Cuba, it was my dream to take a ship to Jamaica, and it didn't really happen. So I thought to myself, like, I searched for a country that opened during COVID, and then
she thought about Jamaica.
And then I looked at it and I saw that it's open and everything is like cool. We just need to be with masks.
So we didn't really learn stuff about the country much. We just like booked a ticket and we flew, and it was really, I don't know, people here shouting to us
All the time. We will get that.
So we just got into Jamaica, we rented a car and we're like, okay, yalla, we are starting to travel, we are starting to do all the island, to meet the people here, to try to learn about the culture and everything. And we were so afraid because we heard so much about this country, like
there's a lot of violence and gangsters and a lot of guns, and a lot of people laugh at us. You are coming from Israel. Why do you need to fear
but
here
it's
in
not
Jamaica?
like that. Israel is so safety. It's not like Jamaica feeling. I don't know. It's like Israel. Okay, you have bombs, but you know what to do. You're going to a shelter and that's it. You're okay. So
like, I feel that when you know what you need to be scared of, or what you need to be
when you know the danger,
careful of, you know what you need to do,
and then you're not
feel
scared.
safe. But when it's unknown, it's different. Now like I feel that I know the danger is in Jamaica and I feel safe here, but still,
because we know what to do, how to act, where to go, and
after the deep research that we did.
After a deep research and also after experience we had here, that it wasn't so easy, but this is, I think, another video.
Yeah.
So we just got here, and the first night it was like we reached here at like 3 p.m.
And then we got our vehicle.
car, and we got into the Airbnb, but then the dark.
It was 6 o'clock, something like that.
Yeah, and then it was dark, and
And
we
we're
were
so
so
afraid.
hungry and so afraid, and we didn't know what to do, how to go out from the Airbnb.
And mom gave us a cake.
So we just ate it.
Yeah, and we went to sleep because we were so afraid to come out, like to do something
Yo.
in the evening. And then
Everything here looks so scary. I don't know how
Yeah.
to explain it even. It's like we were afraid from everyone, every person on the street, every I don't know. It's like we didn't know what to do with ourselves. But then we said, okay, we need to sleep. We'll wake up to a new day.
and
Everything
then
will be
sun,
okay.
and then the energy, the energy.
But then
in
we
the
woke up
morning.
at 5 in the morning because of the jet lag. And we were like, yeah, we're going
And
out.
Jamaica wakes up only
At
at
11.
11.
Not Kingston, but Mobay, where we have been.
Yo.
And we were like, okay, we'll go to Starbucks.
Why Starbucks?
Yeah,
because they know what to do. Like they put the
Familiar.
sign familiar. We don't like the coffee in Starbucks. Sorry, Starbucks. But I think
But
that
it's
our
a
coffee
brand,
is
we'll
not
feel
yeah.
home.
We'll feel something that we know. And we came there and it was okay, and the beach there was amazing view.
Wow. And then we just started our journey here, and we met amazing people, and we really, I think we really
Connected.
connected to the culture, to the people. Like
I feel that
think-
there is a lot of similarity to Israel.
What, the people?
Yeah, because as a patriotic, they really love
they
their
connect.
country.
They are leaving the country, but because they want to develop, like they understand that they don't have opportunity here, so they just like, but still they're so connecting to this land, and they want to go back and
It's
everything.
so interesting.
Yeah, and we'll learn about all the culture here, like that you have.
Ayelet has a boyfriend from Jamaica
Yeah,
for 2.5 years. It's a lot.
I met him here in Jamaica on the beach, and we just got.
So romantic. They got into a relationship like 3 months. We've been together, 3 of us.
Our ticket was for 7 weeks, but then
We extended
we extended it
for 4.5. We've been
months,
also in DR,
4.5
the Dominican Republic,
Yeah.
a bit for 3 weeks, but then we came back to Jamaica because it felt like second home.
Yeah, I think one of the most amazing thing here that you feel really that the doors can open up for you, because I never felt this feeling anywhere in the world, that people are so interested in me. Yeah, like I'm walking on the street and so many people just say hi, how are you?
Like I'm
And I'm
famous.
like, yeah, and I never felt it. So it's really interesting feeling to feel here in
At
Jamaica.
first it was a game, like we took a lot of numbers of Jamaican.
Yeah.
And not only men, also women, but a lot of men, of course. And we
Hello. Just for the.
and we had a game here. It was funny. So how many who I can take the number, like officer, soldier, just the security in the building. I don't know, whatever.
Yeah.
It was so funny to see the wheeling someone in the market. I don't know, and
In the beginning, also it was scary. Yeah, all the attention you're getting, you're walking here, and we weren't walking much on the street because it's can be dangerous. So we drove most of the time, but all the eyes that we get, all the attention, it's
they can
something
see everything.
that also.
They observe.
Yeah, but also it can irritate you. Like you can be afraid of this. But we found I don't know. I think I found a really fun.
It's weird because you
Yeah, I have a
went
thing.
into really a long process. I felt
Yeah.
with that. You can share.
Yeah, I have a thing. For me, it's hard for me to get attention. Even in Israel, when I'm walking on the street and I'm walking alone, I have a lot of fears. Like I'm feeling that all my eyes on me, and I'm feeling like really bare, maybe. Like I'm scared most of the time. And here, maybe because we are going like me, Bar, and my boyfriend together, and we're walking, so maybe I feel less scared, but
more secure.
more secure, yeah. But
There was one time.
hello.
One time I let someone came into like
One more.
came close, and then she felt like, wow, where are you? Where are you? Why not? You're not protecting me.
Yeah, she didn't see that, but I was like,
All the time I'm just jump on the people if someone even, I don't know, touch a hair.
big sister.
So it's funny, but
Yeah.
I feel the attention or the energy that I felt here, that all the doors are open. We even record a song, reggae song, that we will share.
Yo.
It's really
It's so hard. I think it's difficult to speak about 4.5 months in like
It is,
video.
but we even got to meet a producer here that told us that he will make us a song without money. It was just for fun.
He was like, "You're cool, you know. If I have
He
you
really
1
liked
year,
us.
I can be a rich person." Nah. And
It
he's
was
like,
really funny.
He's a big producer here. He's producing a lot of artists, like famous artists here in Jamaica.
So we made a song, and it felt like I can cross everything when I did it, and I wanted to come back to Israel with the same energy, not to lose it, like to embrace it,
Yeah.
and to think to myself like,
I can do anything I want.
imagine the energy you felt in Jamaica and take it with you. Like
Yeah.
you learned already, your body learned, and now I can just think about it, feel it in my body, and start doing. So this is, I think, one of the most important things that I learned in Jamaica, and I took with myself.
Into life.
Yeah, and maybe that's why we came back to here to make music.
We felt like we can do everything we want, and we felt that we have opportunity here, so we just
Also, it's cheap,
yeah.
and you have good artists and producers
We love
here.
the music. This is something also that in the beginning we didn't know that it's like a music land, but then when we got here, and dancehall, it's really difficult to hear, but we really love this music, this type of music.
We just
So-
open up a bit and a bit and a bit like a flower. It was funny because at first we were so
time.
close, and then
I was so sick in the beginning.
yeah, so because Ayelet is sick when she's scared and in anxious.
Stress, yeah.
Yeah.
3 weeks I was like really, it was hard for me to connect with people and to speak. I was so into myself.
It's so Jamaica opened me up for a lot of
process.
things, for a process. That's why I started even to write my book about it. Like it started from
Yeah, most of
the
the book is
experience.
about
Yeah, the experience
the
in
actual-
Jamaica. So it's really something that
yeah.
it's a point in my life that I can say before and after. Really.
Yeah, I understand you.
Yeah.
I understand you. I think that's the reason we got back here. I think it's something I need to teach myself still, but something about it that you're really far and you're like trying to, you're saying to yourself, let's try, what will happen? And you're so far from people, so you're alone. So I have this issue about judgment, so I feel like, okay, who can judge me right now? I'm alone here. It's not that I have a lot of people I know here. So I think that
But when you know that it's something inside you, and we talked about that a lot,
Yeah.
like the judgmental, it's like inside.
yeah.
And when we understand that and release that, it's something that
When you learn how to make it everywhere you are at, it's really, I think it's one of the best.
like the first thing that I think to myself, that's what I asked Chanil, your boyfriend, that how you talk to yourself, like inside, in between you and yourself. It could be good stuff or things that pop you up, or you are saying to yourself, no, you will not succeed, you will not, you will be da, da, da.
Always you will have this voice.
Also in that
voice, I
video.
think, on your mind, but it's so hard it's so difficult to say to him, like, to not really listen and to just try to do whatever you want without all these voices, like this.
I don't think you don't need to
Criticism.
listen to your voice. It's a voice that you can look at this and to say, okay, this is a voice, but I have another voice that say that I want to achieve, that I have the
No, but
the energy
once
to
you will
achieve.
understand that this voice that try to let you down, it's not really, it's your fear, and you will understand.
Yeah,
that
you can cross it.
Yeah, I think you should.
But you
should
can-
understand to that it's just your fear, and it's not really. It's like it will block you if you will.
But in
Always.
therapy, if you will, you don't need to block it or not to feel it. You need to feel it, embrace it, love it, the fear, because it's something that protects you.
Yeah,
it's a defense
understand.
wall,
I
and it's
understand.
okay to have a defense wall. That's what keeps us safe. It's okay. But when you look at this and you understand that this is a defense wall. Okay, I want to cross it.
Yeah,
Then you can do the healthy step.
maybe.
That's what I
Maybe.
am
So
believing.
this is
in.
the lesson for today.
Yeah. So the next video, we want to.
Well, today we're going to start our process. No, we started our process with the song, but today
Yeah.
we're going to record it. I hope it will be the final version. Last night we wrote me and Bar again one more verse. It was really difficult, but we have decided that we want it like
I-
deeper
Yeah, I feel that the song is really deep now.
right
and,
now, yeah. So we are going to work on it today. This is one of the things that we have to do today
Yes.
with the producer, and we're going to share with you also this process.
Yeah. So if you like us and you want to see more and to know how
Be with us in the process.
the process, yeah, how our music process is. I don't know. Take
moving.
Yeah, in
Going
Jamaica
on.
you can come and see our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So thank you all. You all.
Yeah.